Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys part 2 of my guest bedroom makeover on a budget. Yep. And if you haven't seen the first item that I made, I will leave a link below in the description bar so you can go over and check out the first item that I made. Alright you guys, let's get into the items that we'll be using for our second DIY. Okay, we have the small mirrored picture frames here from the Dollar Tree. We'll be using these. They're 4x6. They're really cute. And we'll be using a regular picture frame, mirrored frame from the Dollar Tree. And we have the foam board here from the Dollar Tree also. And we have our E6000 and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have our foam board here, which I placed the 4 mirrors down and just cut the foam board to where we need it because we don't need the whole foam board. Oh my jeez. So we have our E6000 and our glue gun. And we're just going to glue down the mirrors to the foam board. And now that they're all glued down, we're going to take our small picture frames. I took out the back of them because we're just using the nice mirror design that they have, and we'll place them down. And then we'll be using some E6000 and our glue gun and glue them down in a pattern on the board. And now that we have our pattern all done, I'm just going to take this bling wrap, the bling strip here, and just place it where the 4 mirrors are joined together because the lines are showing. And I just want to cover that up, and adding the bling wrap just gives it a nice little extra touch. I think it looks very nice with the bling wrap over the lines where the mirrors are joined. The back of the mirrors come with these boards that you can also use to hang up this design. Just place them on the back and then, just enforce them with some glue. And you can also use command strips, which I like to use. I use 4 strips and I place 1 on each side of our board and I hang them up like that. So either way is an option for you to use. And here is our finished look for the second design for our guest room makeover. I think it looks very nice. I love these mirrored frames from the Dollar Tree, you guys. They make anything look so elegant. Anything you place them against, it just looks very nice. And it's just $1. Well, $1.25 over here in Canada. I know in the US their Dollar Tree is $1. It's $1.25 for us over here. But still, it's absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, I hope you like my second DIY for the guest room bedroom makeover. So leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this second DIY. And give me a like, press that thumbs up. And don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so you can come back and see more of the things that I'll be making for this guest room makeover. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.